Good morning students. Today we are discuss about that transistor as an amplifier. Why we are using the amplifier means the increase of the sound. Okay, wow. That purpose only. High sound produce means it's a reduce to the sound. So low sound means it's a increase to the high sound. Okay, wow. That purpose only we are fixed to the amplifier. Okay. So now you see that. A transistor operating in the active region has the capability to the amplify weak signal. So whenever it's coming to the weak signal, it's a make to the perfect signal. Okay, wow. The amplification is the process of increase the signal strength. So increase the signal strength. Whenever coming the low signal, this increase to the high signal. Okay, if a large amplification is required, the transistor are cascaded with a coupling element like resistor, capacitor and transformers, which is called as a multi-stage amplifier. So this is and all we are telling to that multi-phase oscillator. Okay, so here the applications of the electrical signal is explained with a single stage transistor amplifier. Now we are explain that electrical signal. How to explain the electrical signal means we are using to that single stage transistor amplifier. Okay, the single stage indicates that the circuit consists of one transistor with the allied components. So the single stage indicates that the circuit is consists the transistor. Okay, well, the one transistor only have to use. That transistor is a NPN transistor. Okay, so now you see that NPN transistor is connected in the common emitter configuration. So now you see this is a NPN transistor, base, collector, emitter. Okay, wow. So now we are connected to the one capacitor, that is a what a base capacitor. So voltage means what, it's a AC source. Okay, wow. AC input, this is a input, and the resistors the emitter. You see, now you see that emitter connected to that one capacitor, emitter of the capacitor, and then you see that emitter of the resistance. So next capacitor, the capacitor also you see collector, base, emitter. No, so the collector is connected to the resistance of the collector, then it's a output of the VCC. So okay, wow. So whenever we are giving to that input is a AC, we are giving high resistance means AC we are giving to the high value means what happened? It is a going to the emitter. What? It's a common emitter configuration. Why? So it's a coming this side only. It is a NPN transistor, right? So it is going to here the emitter, that is a emitter of the resistance going to that current, high current, then increasable of the current, it's going to the emitter stage and water. So next you see that it's going to the base. So base capacitor, the base capacitor also increase the current. Next you see that collector also increase the current. So that times what happened, the collector of the emitter here having no, this times what happened, that load that is what happened, increase to the current. So decrease to the current. Whenever you are giving to the input increasable of the current means output is a decreaser. So here you see that you are going to that output, what happened, it is a amplifier using, and what happened, it's a reduce, sustain that current. So what happened, it's a immediately what happened, decrease to the current, that is going to the output. We are get the value decrease of the current, that is the output. Okay, so now you see that this is here two types we are starting that. One is here two types. So one is here working of the amplifier is here doing positive off and negative off. Okay, So this formula we are taking to the collector current. Okay va? So collector current what na IC. So collector current is a increasable means output is a decreases. Collector current is a decreases means output is a increasable right. So now you see the working. So the formula IC equal to beta IB. So IB how to are represented beta equal to IC by IB. So this is here applying for that Kirchhoff law. Already you are studying now Kirchhoff law, that one. Okay. So next you see that the collector emitter voltage. So next that output look. Next the collector emitter voltage how to get means VCE equivalent to VCC minus ICRC. Okay, this is the formula. So next off cycle. During the positive off cycle, you see the amplifier input signal VS. Okay, input signal increase the forward voltage across the emitter base. Whenever that emitter base you are increase the current, what happened, the base current also increases. Consequently the collector current also increases in the depend on the times. This increases the voltage drop across the RC. So here that RC dropped. What happened, that they are having to the dropped across the drop to the RC. Why means it's a amplifier, it's a control to the current. Okay, which is a turn that decrease the collector emitter voltage. So whenever it's a collect to the from the collector and emitter current, it's a decrease to that. Okay, so RC. So the output value, it's going to the output value, we are getting to the decreases values. This is therefore the input signal is the positive direction. Input signal is a positive direction means it's a produced on the amplifier signal in the negative direction at the output. Okay, output. So input signal is a positive now, output signal is a negative only. Okay, hence the output signal is received by 180 degree as. So output signal out we are received 180 degree la receive pannu. Right. Next one, during the negative off cycle. So input ada AC we are giving input value is a decreases means in the forward bias the voltage across the emitter base, as the result base current decreases. So what happened, the base current, so the emitter of the current is a decreases means base current also decreases. Base current also decreases, and then base current as decreases and turn the increases the collector current. So it's a what happened, increases to the turn to the increases the collector current. So meterlium current is decreases the collector base, so the collector current also decreases, but the collector current of the R load what happened, it is increases. Okay, so that is the potential drop across the R. So now this is a potential across drop the cross. Okay, so the increases the collector emitter voltage. So what happened, increase the collector emitter voltage means the CE, the output is increases. Okay, input signal you are giving to that low means output signal is we are get to output signal is high only. Okay, so next you see that the input signal is a negative process means output is a positive process in the off negative cycle. So this is received to the 180 degree phase reversal is observed during the negative off cycle input signal as well as. Okay, so next you see that I hope you are understood that transistor as an amplifier, it's an important question coming to the 5 mark questions. Amplifier, so transistor of the amplifier also important, oscillator also important. Okay, so now you see that oscillator, transistor as an oscillator. An electronic oscillator basically converts DC energy into the AC energy, high frequency ranging from the few hertz to megahertz, several megahertz varakum change agum. Okay, so oscillator means what? Oscillator what doing means DC energy converted into the AC energy. Okay, are you understood? DC energy converted to the AC energy in the oscillator. Oscillator அதான் பண்ணும், அந்த ஒர்க் தான் பண்ணும். இது வந்து லோ ரேஞ்சில் இருந்து ஹை ரேஞ்சுக்கு சேஞ்ச் பண்ணும். ஓகே, hence it is a source of alternating current or voltage. So இது வந்து source of the alternate current or voltage, unlike on the amplifier. So amplifier மாதிரி it's not a working. Okay, it is not a working in the amplifier. Okay, so next, oscillator does not record any external signal source. Amplifier does not record வெளியிலிருந்து எந்த it does not record to the any signal in the outside. Okay, so any signal in the outside. Okay, next you see that basically there are two types of the oscillator. So there are having to the two types of the oscillator. One is sinusoidal oscillator, second one non-sinusoidal oscillator. Okay, what is the sinusoidal oscillator? What doing? The sinusoidal oscillator generates the oscillation in the form of sine waves. It's a form of the sine waves at the constant amplitude and frequency. Okay, the sinusoidal oscillator what doing? The sinusoidal oscillator generated to the sine waves at the constant of the amplitude and frequency. So the constant value it's a form of the sine waves. Okay, by the sinusoidal oscillator. Okay, so whereas non-sinusoidal oscillator generate the complex non-sinusoidal waves. So like that square waves, you see இதெல்லாம் என்னது non-sinusoidal square waves, triangle waves and square tooth waves. இதெல்லாம் square tooth wave. Okay, this is a sinusoidal waves. Sine waves. Sinusoidal generated to the sine waves. Okay, this is a sinusoidal waves, is a sine waves. Okay, so non-sinusoidal oscillator generated to the square waves, triangle waves and square tooth waves. These and all generated to the non-sinusoidal waves. Okay, so oscillator is a two types. One is a sinusoidal oscillator, another one is a non-sinusoidal oscillator. Now you see that a sinusoidal oscillator can be the two types. One is a damped and undamped. Okay, damped and undamped. Sinusoidal having two subtopics is here too. One is a damped, another one is a undamped. Okay, what is the damped? If the amplitude of the electrical oscillation decrease the time due to the energy loss. Okay, whenever that electric amplitude electrical oscillator is a decreases within the time decreases, the electrical oscillator is a decrease, amplitude decrease ஆகும்போது automatically the energy loss produce பண்ணும். Energy is a loss. Okay, energy loss ஆகும். That is we are telling to that damped oscillator. Okay, undamped oscillator means the amplitude of the electrical oscillation remaining constant. So remaining என்ன ஆகும்? Constant ஆகும். Energy loss ஆகி balance இருக்க remaining எல்லாமே என்ன ஆகும்? Constant value இருக்கும். That is we are telling to that at the time. Okay, that is we are said to be undamped oscillation, undamped oscillator. Okay, okay, now you see that this is a damped waves. Okay, this is a damped waves, this is a undamped waves. Okay, whenever the loss of the energy பாருங்க அப்படி சைக்ளோன் சைனசாய்டலா போய்ட்டு அப்படியே டிக்ரீஸ் ஆயிட்டே இருக்கும் அந்த waves. Okay, so damped. So this is a water damped waves. So this is a undamped waves. So balance all remaining all the ones it's a same only. Okay, it's a constant னு சொல்லிருக்கோம். அப்ப எல்லாமே என்ன இருக்கும்? அந்த waves, all the waves is a constant only, same இருக்கும். Right. Transistor oscillator. Second one, transistor oscillator. An oscillator circuit consists of a tank. So here the transistor oscillator we are the oscillator circuit, we are considering to the tank. Imagine it a tank circuit. Okay, an amplifier and feedback circuit. Feedback amplifier feedback circuit and the tank. Okay, இதெல்லாம் கன்சிடர் பண்ணும். The tank circuit generate electrical oscillator. The tank circuit electrical oscillator. ஓகேவா? And act as the AC input source, the transistor amplifier. So with the tank circuit generate the electrical oscillation. ஓகேவா? The tank circuit only generated the electrical oscillation. Okay, so it is and act on the AC input. இது எப்படி act ஆகும்னா AC input input voltage அது என்ன ஆகும் act ஆகும். Transistor amplifier act ஆகும் அந்த tank. Amplifier amplifies the input AC signal. So amplifier என்ன பண்ணும் AC input of the AC signals make பண்ணும். Okay, the feedback circuit it's a provide a portion of the output. So feedback circuits என்ன provide பண்ண the portion of the output to the tank circuit to the sustain oscillation. So output side high இருந்துச்சு அது என்ன பண்ணும் sustain பண்ணும். ஓகேவா? Okay, so next you see that the oscillation without energy loss. So sustain பண்ணும்போது it is not a loss of energy. So hence and the oscillator does not record an external input signal. ஓகேவா? hence and the oscillator does not record the external input. Already we are telling oscillator வந்து external force external input என்ன பண்ணாது வாங்கிக்காது. Okay, the output is said to be the self sustains. Output always the self sustains only. So amplifier, the transistor amplifier circuit already explained already. Okay, amplifier. So you see this is a tank. So here having to the capacitor, resistance, load, everything here having. Okay, this is a transistor. So this is a AC input. Okay, so next you see the feedback network. What is the feedback network mean? The circuit used to the feedback portion of output to the input. Output to the input. The output input தான் நான் என்ன சொல்றேன் output to the input we are telling to the feedback network. Okay, if the portion of the output fed to the input is the phase with the input, then the magnitude of the input signal increases. The magnitude of the input signal is increases. It is necessary for the sustained oscillation. Okay, so next one you see the tank circuit. At the we have to explain to the tank circuit. Okay, the tank circuit, the LC tank circuit consists of on the inductance and the capacitor. So the tank circuit la inductance no capacitor connect பண்ணிருக்கும் parallel. Whenever the energy is supplied to the tank circuit, இப்போ you have to apply to the energy to the tank circuit from the DC source. DC source ல இருந்து you are supplied to the energy to the tank circuit. The energy is stored in the inductor and capacitor. So in the energy AC generator வச்சு you have to supply to the energy supply to the tankல நீ சப்ளை பண்ணும்போது tank circuitக்கு சப்ளை பண்ணும்போது இந்த எனர்ஜியை கெப்பாசிட்டரை இண்டக்டரும் ஸ்டோர் பண்ணிக்கும். ஓகேவா? ஸ்டோர் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கும். ஓகேவா? this produces electrical oscillator. ஸோ இதான் என்ன பண்ணும் செக்ரெட் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கிட்டு இதுதான் என்ன பண்ணும் produce to the electrical oscillation of the definite frequency. But in the practical oscillator circuit here will be a loss of the energy across the resistor, inductor coils and capacitor. So this times what happen? Loss of the energy. Okay, wow. The small amount of the energy is used up in the overcoming these losses during every cycle of the charging. So whenever your circuit is running, the times and all is a loss of that every cycle. Every one cycle is a loss of the energy. So discharge of the capacitor. Due to this, the amplitude of the oscillation decreases gradually. So decreases the gradually it's a decreases. The tank circuit produces a damped electrical oscillation. Therefore, in order to produce the undamped oscillation, a positive feedback is provided from the output circuit to the input circuit. The frequency of the oscillations are determined the values L and C using the equation F equal to 1 by 2 pi root of LC. Okay. So next, Barkhausen condition for the sustained oscillation. The following condition called the Barkhausen condition should be satisfied for the sustained oscillation in the oscillator. The Barkhausen condition la sustained oscillation வந்து satisfied பண்றாங்க. So how to that means the loop phase shift must be a 0 degree or internal multiplies the 2 pi. The next point, the loop again must be unity. The loop again must be unity. அது சேமாக இருக்கும். So modulus of A beta equal to 1 இருக்கும். So A equal to A na what? A is a voltage gain of the amplifier. Beta is a feedback ratio. Okay. There are the different types of the oscillator circuit based on the different types of the tank circuit. Example, Hartley oscillator, Colpit oscillator, phase shift oscillator and a crystal oscillator. Okay. Now the application of the oscillator. So what where are you using means to generate the periodic sinusoidal or non-sinusoidal waveforms. Second point, to generate the RF carries. Third, to generate the audio tones. To generate to generate clock signal in the digital circuit, as sweep circuit in the TV sets and the CRO. Okay. Thank you children. This lesson finished.